So you've watched a few videos on how to replace a zipper. You decided to do it yourself. You do a quick search on Amazon or Walmart, and you discover there are dozens, if not hundreds, of different options in terms of replacing a zipper, what you need, different kits. Some have tools, some have the zip cords. It's overwhelming. So this is not a how-to, but rather I wanted to show you what kit you probably need, given the most likely zipper size, and what tools, and just the best value for your money. Just because simply you don't need, chances are you don't need 99 pieces unless you're a seamstress or a tailor. I've had to replace one zipper my whole life. So the kit I'm going to show you will probably work for you, and it offers the best value. I sorted through all this. I spent over an hour or two just trying to figure it out because it comes overwhelming. At one point you're like, oh, well, it's better value. It's $15. You get all these pieces. You don't need it. Trust me. So here we go.
This is your basic zipper repair kit, and most likely all that you need. It comes in a nice little plastic close-up container. You're not going to lose the extra bits because chances are you won't need all these, especially at one time. Comes with 12 pieces, 12 zippers, I should say. 3 brass, 6 different types of plastic black zippers, and 3 metal silver pieces zippers. It also comes with additional ends for the zipper and tops. So I'll show you in a second what these do. But you've got another 30 pieces on the top and 15 pieces for the bottom. I'll show you those again in a second, but this is very basic. This is probably all you're going to need. These come with number 5 zippers. Number 5 is the most common type. I'll show you an example in a second, but these are labeled 5. Some of your zippers at home may or may not have it. Chances are you can size it up, but chances are it is a number 5 that's the most common. These also come with these smaller ones. I'll show you the difference. These are slightly smaller, so these fit some of the zippers that you may have as well. So let me just show you on a typical sweatshirt here how this works. So this is, as I was saying, typical. This is plastic, and the back it's labeled number 5. So this would work perfect. Now, in terms of what they mean by these bottoms, I'll show you the exact ones that they come with, but this is considered a bottom stop. And on the top, you'll have something like this. You see, these are the normal teeth, and then you're gonna have something on top that stops the zipper from going all the way up. I'll show you how I did a quick replacement on my backpack. That's what I used it for. And part of the zipper replacement, which you may have watched on YouTube or not, I had to remove the stops, the original stops, and I placed these. Now, the reason why you don't need any special tools, generally needle nose pliers work really well just for crimping. If you have to remove teeth, I use these as well. You can pull them off. Some of the videos they'll show you using, wire cutters. You could use that too, but this will get the job done. Worst case, you can get underneath with a simple flathead screwdriver. But again, this is the bottom stop so that this was my replacement zipper. Doesn't go past here. I don't have an example of the tops, but I showed you that on the sweatshirt, and these are all the pieces it comes with. Very easy to use. It's fairly simple. You may have to adjust the zippers when it's already on just by simply closing them a little bit, pinching that, and you're essentially just making this a little bit tighter. If it doesn't work at first, try it the way it comes standard, but if you have to, you can make slight adjustments, very small adjustments by closing these. And that's it. Very easy to use. And again, this is all you need. This little kit is anywhere from $5 to $7. They seem to change the price weekly or daily, and offer coupons as well. But this is basically all you're going to need. You don't have to go out for a 32-piece set. This offers the best value, and that's why I wanted to point it out to you and show you exactly what they look like in terms of the quality. And these are real brass, all that stuff. The color, in case any of you are trying to match up. This is the silver up close. Like that. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments down below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you found this at all helpful, please do give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more, subscribe down below. Thank you for joining me.